So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not a mind reader, but I know what you are thinking. You're going to go home, you're going to try this out yourself, and you're going to get the same results as I have, and you're going to be mind blown. You're also going to like this video, you're going to share this video, you're going to subscribe to our channel, and leave us some feedback in the comments below. You're going to head over to Instagram and follow Oldub, that's me. You're going to head over to Facebook, you're going to search Autofinesse Official Detailing Group. Me, the magic man behind the computer, I'm going to accept your request, and you can be part of the family that Autofinesse are creating. Now, don't miss out. Do those things and you won't regret it. But until next time, peace.